Okay. My next question is, have you ever flirted with any of your female fans? Like, I'm sure you have a huge fan following of girls.
No. Female fans, no.
No?
No.
No?
No.
Female fans, meaning?
Like you responded back because they're all
like on what? Twitter or Facebook? What do you think?
I think that would just be mean.
No, you would just make their day, but just asking if you've just ever.
No, I've never.
I'll say a word and you have to answer me back with a word. The first thing that comes in your head after listening to that word. Ready?
Okay.
And you can't take time.
I'll try. Sorry, just.
Marriage.
Soon.
Okay. Marriage.
A while.
A while.
అలాగే సో ఎప్పుడు చేసుకుంటున్నావు పెళ్ళి?
Answer the question.
By the way, everybody wants to know, when are you getting married? One of two most desirable bachelors.
I think.
When are you getting married?
Whoever's older has to get married first. So who's the older person over here?
But నువ్వు ఆల్రెడీ ఎవరినో చూసుకున్నావు, ఆల్రెడీ ఎవరు చూసుకున్నట్టున్నావు. నేనైతే ఐఎమ్ సింగిల్, సో ఐ డోంట్ నో అబౌట్ హిమ్. ఐఎమ్ థింకింగ్ హీ ఫౌండ్ సమ్వన్ ఆల్రెడీ.
He's saying he's single. Do you know if he's single?
I think he's single.
You think so?
Yeah.
I doubt very much if he's single. So
That's what I can gauge.
So ask him when he's getting married.
When are you getting married? Any plans to get married?
Aren't we supposed to be talking about ఆట ఆడుకుందాంరా?
Yeah, but you.
అదే ఇది ఆట ఆడుకుందాం, ఇది వేరే ఆట.
When are you getting married?
I don't know. When I decide, I'll let you know.
Okay. What about you?
I don't know when I'll find the right. ఎప్పుడు కరెక్ట్ అమ్మాయి ఎప్పుడు తగులుతుందో తెలియదు. I cannot plan. ఈ సంవత్సరం ఆ సంవత్సరం I cannot plan. ఎప్పుడు అవుతే అప్పుడు అవుతుంది.
Love.
Very important.
Love.
Family. I will say family.
Okay.
నేను ఆనంద్. ఈ భూమన్నా ఈ భూమి మీద ఏ సృష్టి అన్నా నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం. చెట్లు, మొక్కలు, గాలి, నీరు, వాటిని కాపాడుకోవటమే నా పని కూడా. ఇట్స్ అ జాగర్స్ పార్క్. 213 చెట్లు ముంబైకి చాలా ఆక్సిజన్ సప్లై చేస్తుంది.